Now, an interesting online article recently surfaced on the Mother Nature Network. 9 of the world's most multilingual countries were listed. Aruba was listed first. Take a look. The Mother Nature Network article states that Aruba is an island that sits in the far southern Caribbean near Venezuela. It provides the island's history and background information to readers. It explains that because Aruba is one of the constituent countries that make up the Kingdom of the Netherlands, Dutch is an official language taught in all schools. Both English and Spanish are required in Aruba's education system, and most students become fluent by the time they finish school. The article acknowledges that neither of the 3 languages are considered Aruba's native language. On the street, it is, of course, Papiamento. Luxembourg was listed after Aruba, followed by Singapore, then Malaysia, South Africa, India, as well as Suriname. Surprisingly, Bonaire and Curacao were not recognized for its multilingualism. Aruba was the only island that made the top 9 list.